guys, today I'm going to be making slime, and this is what you're going to need. You're going to need something to mix with, a bowl or something. I'm using the pencil box because this is all I could find. Food coloring is optional, and some glue. Any type of activators. So let's show you guys how to make some cool slimes. I'm only going to show you guys how to make one. So there's the bowl. There's the bowl. So first you want to add some glue. You have to add glue, or the slime will just, for the rest of the ingredients, it will just be like water. I'm going to show you guys the glue falling down. It's disgusting color, but that was the only one that they had. Okay, after when you threw your glue in, it could be any type of glue, extreme, clear, white glue, all those are the same. And then you guys also have to add water. I keep it on here. Okay. So then you have to add a little amount of water. It's pretty. And then it's optional to add some coloring or paint, anything. Okay, I have no idea how to. Aiden, there's scissors over there. Can you give me it? Over there by the remote. The blue scissors. Can I have that? Thank you. Shout out to Random Savage for. And Cool Aiden. Subscribe. I'm just gonna figure out how to open this. There we go, found. Okay, I don't know what colors are in this because I just went to the store to get normal things that I see on cameras. My garbage can. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. Neon colors. Oh, I'm gonna do purple because it's cute. 4 or 3 drops. I'm doing 4 because I like purple. Actually, just a lot. Let me just put on my color. They're all neon colors. Okay, now you have to take out your utensil and mix it. I'm gonna show you this slime. The purple is really dark now. It's really dark, so I'm gonna go turn on some light. The light switch is literally right next to me. I'm actually gonna go and turn them on. So. There's not a light here, but I will do that. Is that good for you guys? Turn it that way. Earphones, like some tasty music that you guys can't hear because YouTube Red. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, now add your activators. Right? I'm using baking soda in contact lens solution or saline solution. my favorite slime is cloud slime, but I never got to make cloud slime. That's why I just like wait for my birthday to get my birthday list and write cloud slime. Because I can look on Snoop Slimes to get my slimes. Because I heard that Snoop Slimes has cool slimes. It's not activating well. I believe we need more baking soda. I believe. You guys want to see it? I'm going to show you guys it. Okay, I'm going to add some more saline, whatever you guys call it. Contact lens solution in. Okay, it's mixing in. It's not getting hard to mix. I'm giving you guys recipes because like I'm good at making slimes. If the slime is too sticky, add more activator like Tide, Borax, Game, whatever activator you guys have. Saline solution. Baking soda makes very cold slime if you just do baking soda. Just telling you guys a fact. Okay, it's getting harder to mix. Let's feel it hard. Okay, that is easy. We're gonna do a slime smoothie in this video, so stay tuned. Green and purple make this color. Gotta add more context. I'm not feeling it like good. It's not sticking to the bowl anymore. We're just gonna mix it in. It doesn't touch, like, feel. Okay, when it's all sticking to itself, not anything else, start kneading it. It's a little bit over. It's actually, I need to add more contact lens solution. I have one hand free, so just like a little bit of contacts. I do not have contacts, just if you guys are asking. They're just for slime. It's actually very cool to make slime. This is a tutorial. It's just a tutorial, so don't worry, you guys. If your slime doesn't turn out well, just start over. And because like when I first made slime, it was overactivated slime because like I checked on the ingredients. Like I didn't have one ingredient. I didn't have activator, any type. Oh, and I have some shout outs to shout out some people, or my peeps. Oh gosh, it's sticky. My shout outs go to Pink Emojis and Cool Isaac and Cool Eden Aiden. There's like so much cool. And Cool Alyssa, #1 YouTuber of slime. No, I'm the second famous slime YouTuber. Karina Garcia is the first. Let's see if this makes a slime smeller or some smell. I bet it names that for slime. It's like the prettiest color ever, you guys. Look. Well, if you guys want to add more ingredients, you can. Like, you guys can add foam beads, glitter, water, pigment. I don't really care. If it messes up your slime, as I told you, you start over. I'm gonna throw my spoon or my fork. You guys could do a lot of clear glue slimes. They have too much clear cheers. Clear cheers. Awesome, Ryan, Melissa, awesome. I thought extreme glue made butter slime. So, yeah. I love playing with slime. Should I mix it? And can you hand me the my other slime over there? Can you hand me my other slime that was over there? My whatever. I'll just clean this thing up. If you guys want a tour of the slime labo, you guys can comment down below. You guys want a tour of the slime lab? Cause I'm sitting in it. Like it's gigantic, not gigantic, gigantic. Some places are like a mess. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed my video. Hope you guys had an awesome slime, and hope you guys also made the awesomest slime ever, like awesome. And hope you guys don't use all of your glue. That's what I do because I don't have a lot of glue, so I just use a little bit. And that is how much. So this, wait, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. It's cool. That's so cool. If you turn it around, yeah. That is what I'm talking about. Everyone screenshot that. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys had an awesome time making the slime.